Hi friends, this video shows how to download apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon, select apps. In some TV model we have to select device preferences. There inside device preferences we can find apps. In this TV model I have to select apps here. Then go to see all apps. Here we can see list of installed apps. From this list, let me select Google Play Store. In some TV model, we have to go to System Apps. There we can find Google Play Store. Select Show System Apps, then select Google Play Store. Let me select Google Play Store from here. Then select Open. So this is a Google Play Store app. Here on top, you can see two tabs, Apps and Games. Under Games tab, we can find games. From this list, we can select one game, then select Install. That way we can download this game. Let me go back, then go to Apps tab. Under Apps tab we can find apps. From this list we can select the app, then we can select Install. That way we can download this app, ESPN app. Let me go back, then go down. Here we can see app categories. Let me select entertainment category. Under entertainment category we can find entertainment apps. From this list we can select one entertainment app, then we can select this install button. That way we can download and install this entertainment app. So this way we can download apps and games. Let me go to the top, then set search, then set the search field. Here we can type name of the app which we need to download. Then from the search result we can select the app. Let me select Google Meet, then select install. That way we can download and install this app. So this way we can download apps. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.